Have you ever imagined a world where we can create human organs and tissues with the push of a button? Welcome to the weird world of bioprinting, where 3D printing meets the mysteries of biology, and the results are nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine a future where the organ transplant waiting list is a thing of the past, where damaged tissues can be replaced on demand, and where personalized medicine reaches new heights. This isn't science fiction, it's the cutting-edge reality of bioprinting. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover the incredible advancements in bioprinting that could revolutionize medicine as we know it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more weird science content. Let's dive right into it. Bioprinting is a revolutionary process that uses 3D printing technology to create complex structures of biological materials, such as cells and extracellular matrices. Unlike traditional 3D printing, which uses plastic or metal, bioprinting uses bioinks made from living cells. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Researchers have already successfully printed functional human tissues, including skin, cartilage, and even tiny blood vessels. And that's just the beginning. Bioprinting starts with creating a digital model of the desired tissue or organ. This model guides the 3D printer as it layers bioink, one tiny droplet at a time, to build the structure. The bioink contains living cells that grow and organize themselves into the tissue, much like how cells naturally grow in the body. But how do these cells survive and thrive in their new environment? That's where the magic happens. Scientists create a scaffold that mimics the extracellular matrix, providing the cells with the necessary support and nutrients to develop into functional tissue. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of bioprinting is its potential to create organs that are fully compatible with individual patients. Imagine a heart made from your own cells, eliminating the risk of rejection and the need for immunosuppressive drugs. Before we dive deeper into the potential applications and breakthroughs of bioprinting, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weird science adventures. Now let's talk about some real-world applications. In 2019, researchers at Tel Aviv University made headlines by bioprinting the world's first 3D printed heart using human cells. Although it was only the size of a cherry and not capable of pumping blood, this tiny heart demonstrated the potential to create fully functional organs in the future. Another exciting development comes from the field of regenerative medicine. Scientists are using bioprinting to create skin grafts for burn victims, cartilage for joint repair, and even patches for damaged heart tissue. The possibilities are truly endless. Bioprinting isn't just about replacing damaged tissues. It also holds promise for drug testing and development. By printing human tissues, researchers can test new drugs more accurately, reducing the need for animal testing and speeding up the process of bringing new treatments to market. But how close are we to printing fully functional transplantable organs? While we're not quite there yet, significant progress is being made. Bioprinting complex organs like kidneys or livers requires intricate vascular networks to supply the tissue with nutrients and oxygen. Scientists are hard at work developing techniques to print these networks, bringing us closer to the ultimate goal. One of the most ambitious projects in bioprinting is the creation of personalized organoids. These are miniature versions of organs, grown from a patient's own cells, that can be used for studying diseases and testing treatments. Imagine having a mini lung or mini brain that doctors can use to find the best treatment options tailored specifically to you. But the journey to fully functional bioprinted organs isn't without its challenges. The complexity of human organs, with their diverse cell types and intricate structures, presents a formidable obstacle. However, with each passing year, advancements in technology and our understanding of biology bring us closer to overcoming these hurdles. And now for the grand reveal. The future of bioprinting could extend beyond just human organs and tissues. Scientists are exploring the potential of printing synthetic tissues and hybrid structures that combine biological and electronic components. This means we could see the development of biohybrid devices, such as artificial limbs that seamlessly integrate with the nervous system, or even bionic organs that enhance human capabilities. So, what does this mean for the future of medicine and humanity? The ability to print organs and tissues on demand could revolutionize healthcare, making organ shortages a thing of the past and opening the door to new treatments and enhancements we can only dream of today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the weird world of bioprinting, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about this fascinating topic. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next weird science adventure. Until next time, stay curious,